Everybody, it's Dopeman 420 here. We are going bird hunting again.
Just me this time.
Just Caleb and Dopeman. So
Unicorn ball is just gonna be lazy.
I hear a bunch of birds. So.
Pick the best time.
There they go. Oh yes. Got some birds up in that tree right up there. Right up there. Now they flew. God damn it. Where the hell you going, man? Come back here. I just pop a bullet in you.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna put the bullet in you.
Ooh, it's cold out here.
Oh, baby, it's cold outside.
Okay, get. Oh, wait. We're forgetting something. Kind of forgetting our chairs.
I'm not retarded. Yes, I am.
Let me fix this camera real quick. Piece of shit. Stay right there. You're looking at a red chair, so beware. I figured it up for you, which I can do when we come back. I think I have osteoporosis.
What?
What? Okay. So it is currently. Are you freaking with me? I want to know what time it is.
Here, I'll take my phone out.
Yeah, it's not working.
9:05.
9:05. So I was gonna go hunting in the morning, but it was like super freaking windy. It doesn't look that windy. It does not look that windy. Oh. But whatever. There was birds in this tree, but they flew away. Think so?
This jacket's warm.
I'm only wearing two long sleeves.
I'm wearing 2 sweaters.
Ouch. Freaking
And I was
strap
wearing
is hurting my
sweatpants, so
neck.
I changed into my jeans.
It feels like it's a strap 10 times heavier.
What? The chair?
The chair. It's hurting my neck. You not recording today?
No.
Okay.
Tomorrow I probably will. After school.
So it's currently Sunday, like 9, at least 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock around there.
It's at least like
9, 6.
9. That's exactly.
9, 6. It's 9. It's 9, 6. It's 9:06. Currently, what time it is? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's crows out there today. I'm gonna shoot a crow.
I was out there yesterday.
Yeah, but way out there. I couldn't shoot him. But he's right there. He's literally right there. I'm gonna shoot him. I want to shoot him so bad. No, he flew away. Oh, dude, my eyes are watering. My eyes are watering, and the wind's blowing straight towards my eyes. And it's cold. It's cold.
I wish there's no such thing as eyeballs getting cold.
There is.
Oh, yeah, oh.
Ooh, there's a deer out there. There is deer out there.
Did this chair get like 10 times heavier when I got bigger?
Ooh. Oh man. He's getting frickin' cut. Oh. I can only carry it when I'm not recording. Got recording videos. I got recording duties. I don't know. I woke up from a dead sleep at 8:55. Woke up, sat in my room for a little bit, and I just came right out. Bella was looking at me, she's like, what? And I'm like, did I say anything? So I just went in the kitchen right away, made some hot tea to take out, and I went upstairs and got Caleb ready.
Well, he told me it was time to make John. Okay.
Wow, it's so silent, no birds.
That's weird. There might be some coming. Oh, shit, that hurts. The bird inside this thing good?
I don't know, I might have to get my other hat, which is up in my room. My ears are freezing. Because I'm just wearing
Okay, I'll take it.
one of these hats, bone collector. My ears are
I'm taking this one off.
freaking freezing. What, did you get a little warm?
What?
Did you get a little warm?
Yeah, I got more. It's just grabbing like...
Come on. You're going to sit in that spot right there, okay?
What?
You're going to sit right there.
We're not sitting there today?
You are.
Oh.
I want to sit over here. Right there.
I thought it was over there.
Back more. There's an increase where you went in. Caleb, look it. Right there where the weeds are laid down.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Alright. Now whisper if you're gonna talk. Oh. I wish there was some of a biscuit. So I'll lay you guys down. So I can work with it. Okay, so now we'll just sit here. Look at him. Look at him. He's all lonely. Wait, where is he? Where is he? Caleb, pick your head up. I can't tell. I can't see you on here. Oh, I see you. There he is. Okay. I'm telling you guys. I'm tired. This is a great time to be out here. Late in the morning, birds come in, fly and try to eat these beans. So I just try to get out here before they all come. When they do come and I come out here, they fly away. I sit down and stay steady for a little bit. I come right back, start eating, so I shoot them. Like I've done this multiple times before I even started putting it on video. I was telling Caleb we should go out just with our guns. So I had my gun. We were just out here. No videotape, no nothing. And he was like, we should videotape this. I was like, we should put our bike mounts on our gun barrels and put our GoPros and phones. He was like, you should. Like, you should too. I'm talking in the video. But we started doing that, and then this is where it got us. So I'm not gonna make videos all the time we go out here, because this is I'm gonna take a break from it. 3 videos in a row. So, it's kind of crazy. And if you guys don't think so, I am sorry, but it is pretty crazy. So, I'm gonna pause. No, I'm gonna pause the video, and I'll be right back. Okay? So, see you in a few. Okay, we're back. We were all the way over there by that tree. Now, we're over here by the dead tree in the silo. We're almost to that field right there. So we're gonna pop a squat for a little bit. Yeah, which we won't go in. Not that, there's just no ridge. There's no ridge for us to sit in. Good. But, my last... oh, I think I'm getting sick, but... My last video, I was being funny. Funny, Okay, there we go. Well, I got my cup, my water bottle, filled with hot tea. I hear geese. Yep, I see them coming. You guys probably couldn't. Should have put a little sugar in this. Yeah, I should have. Now this lid ain't doing me any good. Yep. Sometimes I gotta take it off to put my drink back in because I can't really. God dang it. There we go. There we go. There, if it makes you happier, I'll take it off. If it makes you happier, I'll take it off. Look at them geese. You guys can't see them. They're there. They're there. Why can't you guys see them? What the frick? You can't see them on here. Where? Oh. Wow, you cannot. They're too small for me, I guess. Ooh, that wind. That wind is cold. That wind is cold. If it rains, it's an 8% chance of rain today.
So, most likely not.
Well, probably not. And if it does, I'm gonna shoot the news people. I'm joking. They can't predict shite.
What?
The news people can't predict anything. Because if it rains today, I'm gonna sue them.
We don't even watch them.
I watch it sometimes. Like in Florida, I had to watch it because my grandma. Because we went there to get babysat by her. I hated it. I hated it. I truly hated it. So, my dad was letting us stay home for the past month we were there. My grandma's like, you don't want us to see you. No, you don't want to see me. Yeah, that's what she said. Yeah. I was like, it's not that, you're just annoying and boring. Nah, she was actually pretty fun. But, oh, there's more. They're going that way, though. That's weird. There's some going that way. And there's some going that way. Look it, they're going that way. And they're going that way. They're going south. They're going south. Is that a geese right there? That lonely one right up there? I think so. Well, look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's only 7 by themselves. And they're going... Oh, they're changing direction. Oh, they're turning south. They're going south. They're trying to go south. They're still going north, but... They're turning to go south. It's not working for them. Oh my god. Huh? No.
What?
My hands are freaking hot. Oh my god. We gotta go up to the house. Okay, we will be up at the house in a minute. Okay, here comes the action. We're almost up by the house. We had to go really quick because I've seen so many birds up here. It was unbelievable. Unbelievable. And then look at when we get up here, tree's empty. Empty. That is freaking nuts. We get up here and the tree's empty. Well, that sucks. I didn't get to shoot at anything. Oh, that blows. Here, I'll give you guys something. I'm gonna shoot that apple in the tree. Zoom that in. If you guys can't see it, I'm sorry. I see it. So, and my phone's going sideways. My phone's going sideways. I see it. I don't know if you guys can. But I'm gonna shoot it. And the stick. So, whatever. Well, sorry, this is a sucky morning. You have to change places a little bit. But, yeah, so, I'm gonna... Oh, this is still zoomed in. I'm gonna let you guys go, I guess. Because I don't really have nothing else to do. I'll be making another gaming video today. So don't worry. Don't worry. Let me take you off my gun. Okay, so you're in my hands now. So this is gonna be the end of the video. And we'll be making another gaming video today, actually. I'm probably gonna make it on Sniper Elite or Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Either one. You guys will see later.
Wait, Black Ops 2?
Yeah. Your game. If not, then I don't freaking know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make another video. I should make a video at our Bella's birthday party today. Oh yeah, it's Bella's birthday party today. Forgot to tell you guys, but
oh my god, hunting again.
We might go back out. I'm not gonna make another video going back out because I just made 3 in a row. I'm gonna take a break from making videos going hunting because I want to go hunting and not have to worry about my cameras and stuff. So that is it. So don't man out, and all of you guys, stay dope.